or PPF? What's your personal favorite?
PPF.
One car you would love to detail no matter the cost?
Actually, to be very frank, it would be each and every car.
Most satisfying part of the detailing process?
The end result.
Foam wash or hand wash? What's the ultimate?
Foam wash.
What's the weirdest item you have ever found in a customer's car?
You'll not believe it, but it was a revolver.
Interior detailing or exterior detailing? What's your vibe?
Actually, both.
One detailing myth you wish people would stop believing?
It's every car would need detailing.
First car you ever detailed, do you remember it?
Yeah, of course. The first car which we detailed was a Mercedes C-Class.
3 detailing products you can't live without.
See, actually, more of a products is basically the infrastructure, the equipments, and the applicators, trained applicators.
Right.
Without that, a detailing studio cannot survive.
Correct. If your brand was a car, what car would it be and why?
Very frankly, it would be Porsche, because the way Porsche designs its cars, and it has been kept and designed in such a way that the end users are absolutely comfortable.